Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab sukka. First, gather your fresh crab and all the necessary spices. We'll start by cleaning and preparing the crab thoroughly. Then, we'll move on to creating the aromatic spice paste that gives sukka its distinctive taste. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a flavorful and enjoyable dish. Get ready to impress your taste buds. To begin, you'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh crab, cleaned and cut into pieces. For the aromatic base, prepare a paste using fresh ginger, garlic, and green chilies, adjusting to your preferred spice level. Don't forget the essential curry leaves, finely chopped onions, and ripe tomatoes. These ingredients are crucial for building the rich, complex flavors of our crab sukka. Ensure everything is prepped before you start cooking. Now let's get cooking. Heat some oil in a pan and sauté the chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Next, add your prepared ginger garlic chili paste and cook it for a few minutes until its raw aroma disappears and it becomes fragrant. Then, introduce the cleaned crab pieces and the chopped tomatoes. Cover and simmer, allowing the crab to cook through and absorb all those wonderful flavors. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. For the grand finale, once your crab sukka is perfectly cooked and the gravy has thickened to your liking, garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. This adds a burst of freshness and a beautiful visual appeal. Serve your delicious crab sukka hot with steamed rice, dosa, or any traditional Indian bread. It's a truly satisfying meal. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.